Hi, this video is regarding GP homepage, Pro homepage, and 404 page blocks. First, we need to create a new content type for this. Go to Structure, Content Types, Add Content Type, and in the content type, you have to provide the name. You have to provide the name, home, and 404 page. Then, and this is the home page name, and edit the machine name as home pages. So this should be home pages, and enter the description whatever we need, and here this one, and hit. After that, here go to the preview submitting before as disabled, change this to disabled, and then click on publishing option. Just uncheck this, promoted to front page, then click on display settings, uncheck display author and date information, and click on command settings. Since we are not having any commands over the site, we have to disable all these options like close and uncheck threading, and allow command title. Everything should be unchecked, and the preview command is disabled, and then click save content types. Then click on manage fields. There you have to add a few fields which we have done, like this title which already exists, and you have to add a new field of name page type, and it should be the machine name should be field home page type, and choose the option as list text. Here you have to choose this option list text, and it should be checkbox or radio buttons. Then after that click save. After saving that, you can see this field, and you have to enable the required field, and then you have to choose the default values general home page, and you have to enter the allowed values list. This should be unique, so you have to enter this allowed values list and click save settings. This is all for this field. Then we have to go for add, then we have to add another new field, and another new field name is home blocks, and machine name is field home blocks, and you have to choose the type of field collection. So, and it should be embedded. After that, click on save. Click on save. Then on save, if you save this, it will read to another page. Then you have to choose number of values as 9. Then click save settings. How to remember that for home blocks, the number of values should be 9. And similarly, we have to create another field called pro home blocks. Of pro home blocks, this is a machine name and field collection, and here also you have to mention that value is 9 blocks, since there were 9 blocks in home pages both GP and pro. And next we have to create a field name 404 blocks, and this is a machine name. This is of also same type, and here you have to provide the value as 3, number of values 3, since, and left other as empty. Here the number of values should be 404. Then click save and save settings. That's all. These are all about creating the content type. Next we have to add, yeah, we have completed creating contents, the mean fields. Then we have to go for field collection. There we have to add three field collection, one for GP, one for Pro, and one for 404 pages. Like we have to go for field collection. In the field collection, that is, we can go via structure, field collection. There you can find three fields which you have used. The first one is field home blocks, that is a 404 pages, and field no page box. This is for 404 page, and this is for home pro blocks. So you have to click on manage fields for these three fields. First, we have to click on manage fields. There we have to add a new field called node references. That is a field node references, and there we have to choose this entity reference. Here we have to choose autocomplete tag style. This is the important one. And then after that we have to hit on save. When we save, this page will appear. Here we have to enter, we have to choose the target bundle as blocks GP homepage. Have to remember that we are editing the field home blocks. For field home blocks, it should be blocks GP homepage, and click on save settings. This is of about home field home blocks. Similarly for the field no page blocks and field pro home page blocks. Like field no page blocks, you have to click on manage fields, and you have to add a new field. Here I already added the field, so it's existing there. You have to add a new field, and you can name whatever the label you want. Here we have for node reference, and provide the machine name as it is here, and choose the field type as entity reference, and widget as autocomplete tags, and clicking save, it leads to another page. There you have to choose the homepage blocks here, blocks GP homepage, and click the save items. That's it. Similarly for the field homepage blocks, the one thing here we have to change is the same thing, like name, machine name, field type as entity reference, and autocomplete tag style. Here the only thing we have to choose is the target bundle as blocks pro homepage. Here we have to target on the blocks pro homepage, and click on save settings. See, now we have created a content types and field collections for all the three blocks: homepage, pro homepage, and 404 page. Next we have to add content. Like we have to go for add content, and here we have to choose the homepage and 404 pages. Here we have to add three contents, so only we have to add three pages. That is, first one is for a home page, is GP home page, and it should be a GP home page, and we have to choose the 9 fields which is for home page blocks. The next one we have to unclick on save. Then we have to go for, unclick on save. Again we have to go for add content, and choose home on 404 pages. Then click on pro page. There in pro page you have to choose the blocks. Here what the thing you have to consider is, in all these node references, if we type the name, hi Josephine, I think you have remembered that, as I demonstrated already. If we type the title, it will appear. So the block name which you have already created will appear. So you have to choose the block name and click on save. That's it. So similarly for the 405 page, so we have to create uh, three contents: one for home page, one for blog page, and one for that page. That's it. And that's it. Thanks. These are all about blocks.